Hey, how's it going? Old Uncle Blue Gloves here. Another installment of dun dun dun. You guessed it. This old door closer. So I'm gonna turn on one of these lights here, because maybe not. Oh, here we go. So there we go. That's not that bad. All right. So I had a customer come in with a reading door closer, and we have a problem. Let's see here. Which one? Flashlight. That tool that is used to get that gland out. I do not have. Not sure what to do. Usually I'll pull that apart because it of course houses the seal and the spindle. So most likely what I'll do for this door closer, doesn't look like it's leaking much out of the spindle. I'll probably just drain it, put new fluid in it, and then just kind of clean it up, I guess. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know what to do in this particular instance. I was doing a run of Huskies, but had this door closer come in with another one, and I got the other one and taking care of this one. Just don't know. Hopefully I'll be able to get something figured out with it. On other projects, totally side project, we're gonna have to adjust this little sight. I have a pellet gun that this goes on, and I can't adjust the elevation far down enough to where the pellet actually strikes, and so we're gonna have to somehow shim this to where it tilts slightly like that. I'm not sure if it's just how this is set up. I mean, it's mounted to a block which is mounted to this, so out of those two things, it's gonna have to come down on it's mounted like with this little thing right here, and I didn't spend too much money on this at all. I mean, it was pretty inexpensive. I'm thinking like it was like 40 or 50 bucks, so definitely low cost item, and it definitely shows as far as not being able to adjust it, but we're gonna have to figure that problem out too. So we'll figure those two problems out, and then get back on our Huskies. Seacrest out.